If you want your Jira communication to be crystal clear and professional, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to comment on a Jira ticket in the simplest, most effective way possible, even if you're completely new to Jira. Stick with me till the end. Because one small mistake in Jira comments can cause major team confusion, and I'll show you how to avoid that. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira account. Once you're inside, head over to your work. This is your home base, where all your assigned tasks, recent activities, and notifications live. It keeps everything organized so you never lose track of what needs your attention. Next, select the project you're working on. This step is important because commenting on the wrong project or ticket can mess up workflow tracking. So take a second to double check you're inside the right project before moving forward. Once you're in the project view, look at the left-hand panel and click on Backlog. The backlog is where all active, upcoming, and planned tasks sit. Think of it as the master list of everything the team is working on or planning to work on. Scroll through and find the specific ticket you want to update. Click on the ticket to open it. Now you're inside the ticket details page. Mine at the bottom, you'll see the Add a Comment box. This is where your communication happens. Whether you're giving an update, asking a question, leaving instructions, or mentioning a teammate when typing your comment, keep it clear and structured. Jira supports rich text formatting, so feel free to use bold, underline, or even inline code to highlight important details. This makes your message easier to read and prevents misunderstandings. Before you hit save, take a moment to proofread your comment. This is a small step that makes a huge difference. A quick review helps you avoid typos, unclear phrasing, or missing context, things that can slow your team down. Once everything looks good, click. Save your comment is now attached to the ticket permanently, and Jira will automatically notify relevant team members. That means your update goes exactly where it needs to, instantly. And that's it. You just learned the complete foolproof process for commenting on a Jira ticket. If this guide helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick, clear tutorials that level up your productivity. Thanks for watching.